Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon, United Kingdom, Ireland, New Zealand, Australia, United States. I'm coming live here from Philippines to address the ongoing case made by various media people regarding Prince Harry fraud and embezzlement, mistaken identity, and identity theft. Because of this confusion, Prince Harry identity has been dragged to various accusations such as the following. Number one, lying of US visa details allegedly applied by Prince Harry submitted to Department of Homeland Security. Number two, bullying, misogyny, harassment, and etc. falsely accused by the Santibale current board chair, Dr. Sophie Chaundaka. To clarify this confusion, let me allow first to introduce myself. I am Beverly Roque, married to HRH Prince Henry Wales, aka Prince Harry of Wales, since August 2016. Our marriage certificate has been approved and issued by United Nations Military Department. Prince Harry's employer for the recent concluded military exile and military deployment in Afghanistan, covering the period 2015 to 2025. Prince Harry left UK on the 20th June 2015 to proceed to his military deployment in Afghanistan. His rank and name at British Army is Major Pilot, Commanding Officer of Apache helicopter based in Afghanistan. Because of his disappearance in UK, United Kingdom, the royal family and the UK Parliament switched and replaced him with a body doubles stuntman to impersonate his various vacated royal duties, such as polo player of polo games organized by Santibale Charity Foundation, and as host founder of Invictus Games. The games of wounded veterans and soldiers funded by various big-time companies such as Boeing Aviation Company. Upon completion of my investigations, solely conducted by myself, for for a month, March 22, 2016 up to April 30, 2016. I just found out that there are two Prince Henry of Wales, two persons, both claiming he is HRH Prince Henry of Wales, which the both of them have different whereabouts or present address. Prince Harry, number one, without birth, a soldier pilot presently deployed in Afghanistan. From June 20, 2015 onwards. Prince Harry number two, wearing his bird, currently visiting Nepal, and in multiple publications published by various British media, TV networks, and tabloids. Because of these facts, I just uncovered, dated 30th April 2016, I have had confronted Prince Harry number one in Afghanistan regarding the ongoing fraud and impersonation of his name and misusing his identity. This has led for Prince Harry to confide with me about the fraud employment or ghost employment made by the UK Parliament. I immediately warned him of the possible implications and consequences that could damage his name and reputation. Prince Harry did alarm by my predictions and foreseen scenarios. He just begged me to assist him in securing his vacation leave permit, which will be issued by his immediate superior at United Nations Military Department. He contacted me regarding this marriage contract as early as or before May 8 to 12, 2016, prior to Invictus Games in Florida, USA. For him to prevent early the further or further fraud representation of his name and identity. But because of my hesitation and financial circumstances, the time of May 2016, which I was just terminated from my job at AIA Philippines, I just settled process our marriage certificate on the 12th August 2016. 3 months after the fraud representation of Duke of Sussex at Invictus Games, USA. To prevent huge embarrassment on the part of the British royal family under the reign of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, regarding this fraud employment of impostor prince, Queen Elizabeth II just employed another fraudster actress in the name of Meghan Markle to portray the role of a fake fiancée, bride of the fake prince, to cover up the ongoing fraud misrepresentation. the ongoing fraud, misrepresentation of impostor Prince, aka Duke of Sussex. Therefore, any event, ceremony, public appearance, contract signed, made by Duke of Sussex, standing 6 feet 1 inch or 1.86 meters tall, covering this period, 20th June 2015 up to 31st March 2025, or the present date, is deemed to be fraud, illegal, null, and void. Please be guided accordingly.